This is a tool that could get my YouTube channel deleted. It automatically likes every video I watch. Why? Because as small creators, I know the pain of pouring your heart into a video just for it to get lost in the algorithm. I wanted to see if I could build something that appreciates the effort that every creator makes. But there's a problem. To YouTube, liking everything makes you look like a bot. So this became a massive gamble. Could I actually help support other creators, or would I just end up sacrificing my channel for nothing? And the most insane part is, every line of code that puts my channel at risk was built by you guys. Every time someone subscribed, I had to make one new commit, which means you guys built the very weapon that was pointed straight at my channel. So here's how it started. You know that moment when you're watching YouTube and the creator says, don't forget to like and subscribe, and you just ignore it anyways. Yeah, I decided to automate that. Not the subscribing parts, I'm not trying to go to jail, but the liking parts. And because I wanted to make it fun, I added a rule. Every subscriber equals one new commit. If nobody subscribes, I can only commit once. But if 10 of you guys subscribe, I'm coding onto my keyboard melts. So the first couple of days were pretty simple. I wrote the manifest file for the extension, which is what tells your browser that the code is an extension. I built out the pop-up UI and linked it to my Chrome's local storage. That was the easy part. What comes next? Not so much. Once the boring setup was out of the way, it was time to actually make the thing do something, which is, in my case, force YouTube to literally like everything. I added the auto-like feature, tested it out on random videos, and boom, it worked. My extension was officially a professional people pleaser. Then I styled the pop-up UI with custom CSS, so it wouldn't look like a Windows Vista's error message. Buttons, layout, and definitely a heart logo, because nothing says trust me, I won't hack your account like a cute heart icon. Finally, I ran the build and imported it into Chrome's developer mode. It wasn't fancy, but hey, it was working. But of course, YouTube wasn't going to make this easy. YouTube Shorts completely broke my extension. Every time I swiped to another short, YouTube will basically whisper, new page, new rules, and my code will completely crash with this beautiful error. Basically, YouTube Shorts is built like a single page app. When you swipe through shorts, instead of reloading the entire page, you just swipe out sections of that video player behind the scenes. My extension wasn't ready for that. So when it went to grab the settings data from Chrome storage, YouTube had already killed the entire old script. Hey Chrome, can I get settings data? Huh? LOL, Chrome just left, you're talking to yourself. Oh. So the fix was, I wrapped the storage call in a try-catch block. That way, if YouTube murdered my old script mid-sentence, it wouldn't crash. It would just fall back to the save defaults and keep running. Problem solved. Now, the extension doesn't care if it's a 10 hours documentary or a 15-second short. It just likes everything, relentlessly. Once the extension stopped stumbling over YouTube shorts, I decided to polish it up. Because, let's be honest, no one wants to install something that looks like it's coded on a Windows Vista. I redesigned the pop-up UI, added a heart logo, and gave it that K-pop retouch. Basically, I tried to make it look less like a malware and more like slightly more professional malware. Then I added a blacklist feature, so you can choose channels that won't get auto-liked. Because let's be real, there are some channels that you don't want YouTube to think that you're obsessed with. Imagine explaining to your friends why your likes are on how to perform flawless crypto rug pull. I rewrote a readme, added a license, and threw in some screenshots. Because nothing says this is a real project, like pretending you're documenting it for other people, when in reality, it's just future me, you're just going to need it. By commit 6, I was already exhausted. The basic extension was done. I had no clue what to do next, and every new subscriber felt like a coding jump scare. But hey, rules are rules. Now here's the embarrassing part. I wanted to publish this to Chrome Web Store, but then I discovered that it costs money, which is tragic, because I'm broke. So instead, I made it installable straight from GitHub, following these instructions here on the screen. Your browser is now a professional YouTube simp. Sure, it's not convenient as a one-click install, but hey, if you can't be bothered to click 3 buttons, you probably don't need an auto-like extension in the first place. But just go and try it out, please. I'm sure you like it. So yeah, the extension is technically public now. Free to install, free to use, and more importantly, free to judge me for building this in the first place. Alright, enough talk. Let's see the thing in action. Wait, it's even like an ad. Who coded these menace? So what I learned today: 1. I might have accidentally built a YouTube advertiser's dream tool. 2. I should probably stop before Google finds out. And yes guys, I'm already cooking up my next project, so stay tuned. If you enjoyed watching me break YouTube in the dumbest way possible, hit the like button manually or my extension, your choice. Hit the subscribe button if you want more fun projects like this, or I could build an extension that helps you do that. Don't tempt me. Also click the video right here. It's a video where I used every single React hook to build a simple to-do list app.